What's up, guys? It's your boy Elijah. So, now I have to wait 4 days to get that card because as soon as my dad got work, it was closed. He was looking for it. So, my mom bought me a toy for like $3. This toy right here. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Okay.
Okay, see? The thing keeps coming out fast.
Because we don't handle
See, it's this
you know
card
what I
here.
mean? So many people are trying
That's
to buy
right.
platinum now, rings, bracelets, and everything.
Nice, right?
So
So, this truck.
we keep them
I
locked.
got this
If
because it
anything
said
is
9 on it, and I'm 9 right now.
It's so hard to get
I'm about to
hold
be
of.
10 on November 17th,
So
and it's coming up.
here, you take those.
I got it because it
Which
says
one's yours?
9. I don't know
Those
if you
two?
guys can see
Okay.
it. It says
We
9.
keep them. We keep all the platinum locked.
I
Yeah.
see it says 9. If
Okay.
you guys can't see the
So
rubber,
that last one
because
was
it
not
act
in
like it's
platinum?
upside down.
Probably a little bit of silver.
So,
Yeah, when you're
I'm just playing with this cars, my other cars too.
That's it, because we keep all the platinum locked up.
Oh yeah, I found
Right. We keep the platinum.
my other trailer that goes to my car.
But everything that's platinum
It's right
has
here.
to be inside.
I don't know if I showed you this, guys. I don't know, but
Right. And
I found the right car to it. This. Bam. I found it a few days ago. I've just been happy and living my life, playing with my toys. As soon as I heard my stepdad found the place, but it was closed. You guys should have seen me.
Okay. Thank you.
It was good. You guys, oh yeah. You guys, I just want to leave down a comment below. Should I give that toy back? Should I give that toy away?
Can you help me?
The cars that you like away. To you guys. Leave in the comments below.
You ever make necklaces or?
I'll show you all my cars today right now. After this video, I'll show you guys, okay?
Oh, I see.
As soon as this video is over,
Their mouth strong?
as soon as this video is over,
I'll show you.
I'll show you guys.
Them in the tube. They get the right size.
You guys
tube.
probably like
They
seeing
fit
it.
like this.
I want to see now.
See, I just
Yeah, so I'll end this video off right now. I know it's only 2 minutes. I was counting. It's only 2 minutes. But you guys, I'm sorry. We just need to. Like I said, I'm sorry that I can't show you the cars. Just need to be patient. My dad's almost off work. Wait, hold on. Guys, peace. I'm about to make this video.